So let's get started. Now we are in the main view. On the left side, we have the demo account, and on the right side, we have the terminal for the live account. Of course, you can use like both demo accounts or both live accounts. But the strategy of SlyFoxTrader and this challenge is about trading on a demo account, completely random, and copying the same trades on the live account in the different direction. And so it doesn't matter how much we lose here, we will win the right side. That's the idea. So let's go. So make sure that you have the balance, like which should be approximately the same size, to make sure that if you set the right risk management settings, the slot multiplier, that it will be according to the same balance. So we can add like the euro Swiss francs here, for example, and the same here. It's not mandatory, but just to make sure that we are trading on the same pair. So make sure that your settings are set right, especially here in the trade. You need to activate the one-click trading. Accept this. If you don't do this, it might happen that it will not open the trades here. Make sure that you have activated the algorithmic trading, so that this will work, and also allow DLL imports for the EA. So okay, now on the left side, as you can see, on the demo account, we will drag and drop the SlyFoxTrader here. You will see you need to allow the DLL imports, so the same settings also for the demo account terminal. Here we don't change anything. This is the master account, so everything what we will do here, we will work mainly or only on this terminal, and this will be replicated to the live account. We have here connection interval, so around 50 milliseconds, 500 milliseconds, sorry, how often it will be synchronized. And we have the trade mode, which will not change. So this we will just activate with OK. Then there should be a button, as you can see now, there's start button to run the EA. What we will not do now, first we will also activate it in the live account. So we will also drag and drop it here and see that we will change to inputs and change the account type now to slave, because we want that everything what we will trade here on the master account, we will also trade on the slave account, but with the opposite direction. So if we do a buy trade here, it will open a sell trade here. And if we open a sell trade here, it will open a buy trade here. The lot multiplier is the one part of the risk management. So it's like the lot multiplier of everything what we trade on the master account. So if it's like one lot, it will be multiplied by this amount, and this is then the lot size which will be opened on the live account. So if you trade with one lot here, you will open any trade here with 0.2, around like 20% of anything you're trading on the left side. So That also means that on the left side, if we have the same balance, and you want to lower your risk, this means that you have to reach around 500% in profits here to kill your account in the live terminal, which is, yeah, almost impossible as a beginner. So that's why the strategy works. And yeah, let's click on OK. As you can see, it's now also activated here. And yeah, now we are ready to trade. We will start both accounts. As you can see, there is now a timer on both accounts, and this looks like it's synchronized. So this is a proof that it's working. Also, the blue logo here of the EA also means that everything is ready. It's working on both sides. So we are ready to trade. So let's start with anything like, let's start with Australian dollars, US dollars. We can also open the same here. It's not mandatory, but let's do it like this to see that it's both synchronized. So we can also open now here just any trade. We will open 3 trades. This is part of the strategy, not more. We will open 3 trades now with different currency pairs and see what happens. So let's start one-click trading here. We will trade with 1. So um, I think it will go up. Let's buy 1. Let's see. As you can see, at the same time, it opened a trade here with 0.2 on the sell. So we will do now the same here in euro US dollars, and you will see that it doesn't matter if it's also the same currency pair here. It will open it anyway. Here I will open as well. Fine. And then also the euro Swiss franc. So let's go. Let's go here. It should go down. This is what I think as an amateur, as a beginner. So let's just give it a try. As you can see, sell and bam, the same time, almost simultaneously, it opened the trade in a different direction on the live account. Well, that's it. So not more than 3 trades. And now let's make the magic work. And yeah, let's catch up later. So let's get to the results of today. What we have here is on a demo account, as you can see, we had 4 trades. So I opened 4 trades. 3 of them went to stop loss. One of them I closed manually. And as you can see on the live account here, so we deposited 1,000 euros. We got 100 euros as a credit from our broker. And the same trades on the demo account got opened on opposite direction. As you can see here, the euro US dollar, we traded as a buy. It got opened here as a sell, almost at the same price. And as you can see here, this trade, Euro US dollar, one lot, um, uh, hit the stop loss at minus 131.53, and the same trade, um, um, because of the volume, the lot multiplier is 0.2. We are in profit of 28.88. So yeah, and that's the results for today. And so I have prepared this tracking tool so we can track our progress. And yeah, as you can see here, this is the weeks. This is the balance, what it should be at the end of each week, and then with the average cumulative, yeah, weekly profit. As you can see here, 50 weeks. If we hit every week the 14.82 in profit, then we will reach after 50 weeks, which will be end of the year, over 1 million, in this case euros. And of course, you can do the same with US dollars or any other currency. It's all a numbers game. So as you can see here, on day one, we closed 4 trades with total profit of 50.27 and almost 5% in profit, which is very, very, very good. And yeah, I'm happy. And yeah, see you tomorrow.